without chop you. But me sit down and I want to sit for do because I sell in the street. And I sit down for about 4 or 5 hours and I can't figure out what to do and I say, God, what am I to do? I take a deep breath and I say, God, what am I to do? And I hold up my head in the sky and I hold up my head in the sky at the almond tree that I see over my head. And the voice said to me, God said to me, say, remember say your mother used to make almond drops and put in your lunch pan. And every Jamaican when they little they eat almonds. But now them big they don't have time for crack but if they see it up sell them we buy it. And everything with coconut make and peanut make, almonds can make it. And I start smiling and I take up the almonds and I crack them. I have to call my mother and she remind me how to make almonds drops. And I make the almonds drops and I carry them to a mobile and then sell off before the goods them I sell for the other people them. And I go and deal with it. But when we realize the drops them $100 one me I sell them for, but anyway, I don't watch no face because I still make some money because I want to go do my furniture business because furniture I used to do before. You see what I want? And I go so boom and it happened that's the job which part me used to sell for the people them because me and my cousin used to deal with it. So I used to have to stay home and just make the drops them, look the almonds, chop them, make the drops every day. That's my cousin can sell and then my cousin now left the work and me couldn't be able to do the work and do the almonds. So I chose to do just the almonds. So I end up now go back to Mobile now and I start sell them in our community and then I meet my wife. And my wife taste the almonds drops and taste the almonds and fall in love with it. And say yes, make we do it. Make we see if we can do it bigger and she start getting to put in at the hotel them and Negril. Because the hotel owner them start buy the drops them from me by the hundreds. To put in their guests as welcome gift. As we put in their room as welcome gift for them guests. Yeah man, and when me a crack almonds, me realize the I'll come off of the almonds then when me crack them and they mash up me and me try to take them out of the shell. Me realize the I'll depend them. And me squeeze one of them with my finger and show my wife. And my wife said, this is an almond aisle. Brother, a bush me live in a. Me don't know say almond aisle exists in the world. And I say, what almond aisle do? And she start telling me. And when me start research, me couldn't believe say this God really sent for show me so. And me start telling me brethren them and sitting and say, yo, we are going to do this and we are going to do that. And everybody a laugh off of me in our community. And me say, alright, me stop talk. Me shut up my mouth and just start do what me I do. Cause that my wife tell me said, shit, credit done again.
Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby.
Damn, I'm calling him back.
I know that's right.
Wow, man. This is what we've been waiting for so long. It's just. He's telling me that he wants to supply us where we can sell the raw nuts.
That's a lot.
But it's a whole gang, it's a whole community of people. It's not just him, his family alone.
That's true.
His brother family, his friends.
Oh my God.
Plus there's other people around in the community that crack almonds for a living and go sell it in the street. His brother, he's been cracking
You're calling him back?
Oh, his brother has been cracking for a month now. And
I heard him.
He wasn't selling none.
Right.
He's getting ready to take them to Montego Bay to the airport.
But that's good though.
Yeah, that's good.
Maybe he can even take part of them and we can let some people know he'll be there.
Yeah, man, the credit done a while ago. But that's how I go, man.
Yeah.
And which part me did them? Me said me carry them. Oh, after me meet my wife. See?
Yeah.
She showed me realize that almonds can make oil. Because me I said me never know that almonds can make oil or almond oil exists. So we research almond oil and me I said, wow, this is really the same can give me God. And we start, me find a way how to press enough of the almonds them that me can get oil out of it. And when we start press the oil, when we realize that yes, we can get oil out of it, she buy one press. And when we buy the press, we start about a hand press, and we start pressing with my hand. And we start sharing with people, and people are tell we what the oil do for their skin, and how it make them feel when they drink it. And then sitting there and I say, wow. So we start research about that the species now of almonds where they are Jamaica, because the almonds which part they are foreign or other parts in the world is different from our specifically the almonds which part they are California in America. I hit them all over the world, right? And it's a different species of almonds. So we start research that the almonds they were there Jamaica. And we start get all kind of information about the minerals them were in it and there's something there. So we decide to get a logo and start set up the business now properly, because all we wanna do is sell almonds drops. So the thing never really official certain way. So we get the logo and get the thing trademark and register and license and all of them something there. And we start run the business now. And we end up in a 25 location across Jamaica from Negril to Ocho Rios in the all-inclusive hotels them and some pharmacy and then we there. Yeah. So
you know that if you're long your business ago, I know the father got you in a good hand.
yes. I show me, but the more me do this now, me realize say, you know what me realize? Me realize that this is not just for me. This is God just show me this for show Jamaica. Say, look here, we're rich. We have money that fall off of trees. So all we have to do is find a way how to trade straws into gold. Because we have it already.
Because the only want it now. Because most of the people know.
Yeah.
So I see it, I have money, but I buy something. You understand me?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
But come see it, I can afford it. Because most of the people have 15 afford it want to sell the same way now.
Okay. Well, what we are gonna do now? Cause here we know if this are the thing, brother. Remember, a business you are doing, So if you are the business and you're buying a bulk, you can't pay retail price. You understand? You have to buy in a wholesale price, because if you pay retail price and you're buying a bulk, how you are going to make money? You can't make no money.
Yeah, that is true. Because by the time you talk, I say, boy, whole heap of work, all those things.
Yes, a whole heap of work, but remember, I just people who are in Jamaica know about this. So, a whole heap of work now, but in time the world know about it, the work will get easier and more money will start flow. You understand? So everybody have to just play a little part right now to make the thing get big. Because anytime the thing get big enough, everybody are gonna eat and eat equally. Because look here, you see, let me show you something what I realized since me come here, so. You see in the area which part me live here, so? I see whole heap of orange farms. People grow acres and acres of orange, right? And in other parts of the country, people grow other things. But what I realize, you see like how in Jamaica, you have one big orange farm down at Montpellier there, so, and at the orange factory own the orange farm. And that's how it work here. Here, everybody, people were in a community where part can afford to buy like 5-acre lots or 10-acre lots. They can grow oranges. Like them can grow up to 4 or 5 acre or whatever amount of land they have of oranges, right? And then now them do a contract between them and the company where part make orange juice and products from oranges. And the company pay for them people now to come in and harvest the orange, weigh the orange, and pay the people them which part the orange a grow up on their land money. So everybody in the community benefit which part have orange. So it's not a one man thing. You understand?
Yeah.
Right. So everybody can grow together. And look here, Jamaica can be in a better position than which party, you know. You understand? If everybody have, cause we don't have to say yo we are run go foreign for make life. Because me never really interested to run go foreign in the first place. Because I know so we can make life at Jamaica. You understand? But anyway, we don't really have to talk about that because we there and now. You understand? And me realize that God send me come here so. Because God did have to send me come here so because the mindset when we did have it never big enough for what God give me, which is the sight for the almonds. You understand? So me have to come in a bigger world which part me can see bigger things or more things that me can add those things to what God give me to share with Jamaica.